हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज मैच द कॉलम वन विद कॉलम टू। तो हमें अभी कॉलम वन को कॉलम टू से मैच करना है और करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है। तो लेट्स सी वन बाय वन। सबसे पहले कॉलम वन में पियर पैच। तो नाउ द पियर पैच, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पियर पैच? सो द पियर पैच इज अ सेकेंडरी lymphoid organ, is a secondary lymphoid organs. It is a secondary lymphoid organs present in the small intestine, in which your mass of lymphocytes are present. मास ऑफ lymphocytes क्या होते हैं, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं। मास ऑफ lymphocytes आर प्रेजेंट which prevents the growth of pathogenic bacteria and viruses. Pathogenic बैक्टीरिया एंड वायरसेस के ग्रोथ को क्या करते हैं, ये इनहिबिट करते हैं या प्रिवेंट करते हैं उनके ग्रोथ को। तो पियर पैच is your secondary lymphoid organ. So A goes with fifth. Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is your autoimmune disorder. ये क्या है, autoimmune disorder है। Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorders. It is an autoimmune disorders in which the antibodies are formed. Antibodies are formed against the hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage presents in the joints, which causes the inflammation in the joints. So this condition or this is called your autoimmune disorder. So rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. So B goes with 8. Okay. Then IgA antibody. IgA antibody is antibody which is present in colostrum. Okay, colostrum is nothing but the yellowish fluid present in the milk secreted by the mammary gland. In the lactation period, which provide the passive immunity, to the child. ठीक है। So IgA is present in colostrum. So C goes with 7. Okay. Then interferon. So the interferon is a glycoprotein secreted by the virus infected cell to make the cell viral resistance also, and this is also used in the immunotherapy. ये नॉर्मली कहाँ पे यूज होता है, इम्यूनोथेरेपी में भी इसका क्या होता है, यूज होता है टू ट्रीट द कैंसरस सेल्स। ओके, एग्जांपल अगर दूं मैं तो अल्फा इंटरफेरॉन। ओके, so interferon is used for the cancer treatment. So D goes with third. Then Gombusia is a fish. Which eats the mosquito larvae. Okay, which causes the disease like dengue, malaria, chikungunya, एंड एक्सेट्रा। तो उनके मॉस्किटो लार्वेस को क्या करते हैं, ईट करते हैं, क्योंकि ये सब में जो वेक्टर्स होते हैं वो हमेशा क्या होते हैं, मॉस्किटो होते हैं। मॉस्किटो एक्ट एज अ वेक्टर टू ट्रांसमिट दिस डिसीज फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन। तो गॉम्बूसिया उन मॉस्किटो लार्वे को ईट करते हैं। So E goes with 10th. Then चिकनगुनिया, चिकनगुनिया की बात करो, चिकनगुनिया, चिकनगुनिया. Now chikungunya is a viral infection. Is a viral infection. Is a viral infection which is caused by the chikungunya, and here the Aedes mosquito act as a vector. Aedes mosquito act as a vector here. Okay, so chikungunya, that is Aedes. So option F goes with I. Then tetanus. Tetanus Tetanus is a bacterial infection. Tetanus. Tetanus. Tetanus is a bacterial infection. Is a bacterial infection. Bacterial infection caused by Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani. And Clostridium tetani, which releases the toxin. Releases the toxin which causes the blockage of the muscles of lower jaw. Muscles of the lower jaw. So to treat this or to eliminate these toxins, antitoxins are given. Antitoxins are given. Now this is also the example of the passive immunity. ठीक है, ये भी एक एग्जाम्पल है पैसिव इम्यूनिटी का. फाइन. सो टिटनस G goes with 9. Then IgE antibody. Now IgE antibodies is associated with the allergic reaction. IgE antibody is associated with the allergic reaction. Associate antibodies which is associated with the allergic reaction. Okay, so IgE, that is your H, goes with 4th. Then malignant tumor. Malignant tumor means the tumor which can invade the other tissue, which invade the other tissues, and cause the cancer there, and cause the formation of new tumor cells by the process called metastasis. So that type of tumor is called malignant tumor, and tumor which does not invade the other tissue is called malignant tumor. Okay, so malignant tumor means I goes with metastasis, that is 6th. And last, carcinogen. Carcinogen means a substance which can cause the cancer, by converting the normal cell into the cancerous cell by the process called neoplastic transformation. Okay, so J goes with 2. So now let's find out the right option. A 5th, yes. B 8, C 7, D 3rd, E 10th, F I, G 9, H 4, I 6, and J 2. So option A is your right answer. अदर ऑप्शंस देखें, A 6 तो हो ही नहीं सकता, तो ये ऑप्शन गलत है. A 4 ये भी नहीं हो सकता, A 10 ये भी नहीं हो सकता. सो ऑप्शन A is your right answer. I hope you will understood this concept. Thank you and best of luck.